In this video, I will teach you how to create pivot table. Here, what is pivot table for? Like this. If we have tables before up above here, so we can use pivot table to summarize something like sum of salary, count, average. It's level 1 and level 2 we can use in to analysis with generate numbers. So what's your generate numbers and what is the summary of them? And level 3 you can use gender and department hold here. So you can see here is two in finance department and females. So level 5 we can choose anything we want to analysis here. So level 5 is more important, more so much for them, but there is here today we just take a timeless time to create a pivot table. So here what is the pivot table, and we need a database like this. Here database is not empty handler. Here is not limit, it's not and not mergent like this is not mergent here, and not separate columns here, and best for database. What is the database like this? So what is not suitable for pivot? Here you can see here department and genders, and he has it's just a summary table that is not suitable for pivot. So let's go. What we can create these tables like this level 1. So I need more space here, I will put pivot table here. So select the range you need to create, just click insert here pivot tables, click here, and then here is what we select. Here is A1 to F10. So it's new worksheet. That means if you click OK, here will be a new sheet. I click OK. So you will find here is sheet 5 to create. So immediately I need you know what is important. So I create here insert pivot table. So existing worksheet, click here and click here. I will put a pivot table here. So here is not empty, it's empty here and here. We need more space, more rooms to create. Okay, here is a pivot table. So if I want to summarize this one, how? Just move your annual salary here, fact here was a pivot field. Just hold on here salary to the values. Let's go. Here is sum of salary. But if I want to code, how do I do this? You right click and summarize values by. Here you can click count. Then you will see here's 9. Here's 9 sales. So here's 9. So if I want to average here summaries values like average, max, mean, product, and more options. Here I will select more options like this one. What we often use is sum, count, average, max is most we use. So I click max. Okay, I will find here is the max. So it's level 1. Congratulations. And what level 2? Level 2 just like this. We click here, and so we just move gender. Here is a row, here is a column. So we click here, click anything, anywhere. Here is not pivot field, just click pivot, then it will come. If you close them, how to pivot analysis? Double click here. I will find a field list. Just click here, and we move genders to the rows. Here you will see here is genders. Here is the max. In the female, is max is this number, and I will change right click here and summarize values by sum. So I will summarize by genders. So if I move the rows to the columns, then you will find female was here, gender was here, gender was here. So just fill it, and here. Okay, let's move the rows here. If I want to the percentage, how? So just another salaries move here. Here's two columns, columns 1, columns 2. Then right click, you can summarize by counts or anything you want. Then I will show you. Show value as here is a percentage of grand totals. Just click here. He will show you the females was the here is percentage of the wholesale. It's really nice. And level 5 here, how can I know what like this, do a pivot like this? I click here and move. How to move these fields? Just move up here and left, let it go. Here I want genders, then the department, so I click here, move department to the columns. Let's receive. Here it's coming. It's really easy for analysis list setters. It doesn't need to know much formulas. It's just quick, really quick. And what is this? It's a slice. How can I do this one? So I can click here and pure analysis. Then here is insert slice. Click. Then if I want to departments or genders, select what I want. So just click OK. Then you will see here is finance, financing, HR, or something you want. Here click is more convenience. Is more convenience than filter. Yep. Then here, what I go is here is you can also move the department from to the filters. Then here you can click here to select one or more options you want. Click OK, and what I select here, just press Ctrl to select double more options here. Here's a pivot tables for you. It's just take a second minutes to know them and quickly to analysis your system, your data. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know.